Hello Cumberland teachers. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to upload a video to OneDrive. Then you'll be able to share that video using a shared link. The first step is to go to a browser. I'm going to go to Google Chrome. That's typically what I use. You could also use Microsoft Edge if you'd like. First, I'm going to go to Office.com. When you go to Office.com, you will either have to sign in to your Office 365 account, or if you're on a school computer, it might be signed in already, like mine is. Next, I'm going to go to OneDrive. Right along the top, the icon with the cloud is OneDrive. OneDrive is basically like your online hard drive. You can store any files, whether they be documents or videos or pictures, on this drive. To get files on here, we're going to go to Upload. And I can upload a file or a folder. I'll do a file. And I'm going to be looking for the video, the Cool Bean. So I'm going to go ahead and click Open. And up here, you'll see that this item is uploading to the cloud. It might take a little while because video files are usually fairly large. All right, now my item has been uploaded. It says uploaded one item to documents, and there's the ability to share a link here. I also want to show you that it is going to be down here in your files as well. And you can create different folders for this file system if you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and go down here and click these three dots. This gives us some actions that we can do with the file. So once I click that, I'll be able to share this link to another person. So it says share here. And when you are sharing a link in OneDrive, you can share it in a few different ways. So up here, you can share it so that anyone with a link can see it. That means anyone in the public can use that link and see what is inside of it. You can share it with anyone at Metropolitan Nashville Public Schools, or you can share it with just people who have existing access. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it with Metro Nashville Public School employees. And I'm going to also click Allow Editing so that if anyone else wants to change this file, they can. All right, so now that I have my settings correct, I can go down to Copy Link, and now I have a link that I can copy. All right, now let's look at how we would share this in an email. So I'm going to go to Outlook. All right, and now I can share this in an email. Here is the video file that you wanted. And I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it here. And now we have a link to that file right here. Thank you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at john.goddard@mnps.org.